Hey guys, good morning. Let's make dinner. Mm, mm. So guys, this video I filmed it the day I went to do shopping with my son, which is on Sunday. You can see the same clothes I'm wearing. So my baby is sleepy right now. Look at my body. Breastfeeding mom. So my baby is sleepy right now. I want to quick make ogbolo soup, ogbolo and okra soup. That's what I want to eat today. Yeah. So guys, let's start before Oga will wake up. So guys, this is me. Then I just started cutting my my pomo. So I'm going to be using pomo and fish and meat. I don't really have anything at home again. Like all this my Nigeria dry fish, crayfish, everything is finished, guys. And yeah, very soon by next month, by God grace, my goods will arrive. Then we are still going to do the unboxing together. So this is just me doing it like that. I don't have stock fish, I don't have anything. I normally buy these things from Nigeria because it's very expensive over here. So they've already started buying it. So by next month, by the grace of God, all my things will come to me. Then I will do the unboxing with you guys. Yeah, so this is me stirring my meat and my pomo. That pomo is very strong, so I need it to cook very well because I don't get it to chop meat. My teeth not strong. Then after that, I just slice my okra. This okra, I'm going to add it to it. I don't want to blend it to be smooth. I just want to slice it like this, rough slicing. You know, you understand now, this kind of okra of a thing, you slice am like this so that you go, if they eat and you see and they eat inside, not be the one wey go come melt finish. You understand? So this is me still slicing and slicing. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing well. Like you guys, Facebook this time, Facebook just dey Facebook no dey try at all. E just dey give us content creator headache, you know. So after that, I come put my oil, I pour my oil, then I just use it to blend the ogbolo. Then after that, I turn it on my meat and my pomo that I was cooking earlier. Then I stir together, turn in my crayfish. I put my crayfish and not the fresh one, which is the prawns. Then I had another fresh crayfish again because I don't have all these things. I in dry one, then I have to use the fresh one, make use of the one that I have. Then I added my fish. Then after that, I added my leaf. I had my okra. You can see everything is just going so well. Sorry guys, my baby is making noise. The food is ready and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.